What's up guys, so today I'm here to unbox the Oraimo Rhyme ANC. ANC means active noise cancellation. Alright, I bought this from Oraimo in Ghana here, and as you can see, that's the back to check the authenticity of the product. Let's go ahead and unbox this quickly and see what we can find inside the box. So I'm taking off this first peel. I love the packaging so much. I just like how the box feels. It feels so soft and smooth. This is definitely something that we are going to like. All right, so let's open it gently. Whoa, and then the first thing that we get is the earbuds. This is so good looking. Let's see what else we find in the box. Definitely, oh yes, we have some extra buds here, and this, how many do we have? That should be 1, 2, 3. So we have two pairs. All right, 2 extra pairs. And the next thing here is the charger. This is a Type-C charger that we are getting right about in the box. The next thing that we have here is the manual. So those of you who are going to be setting this up for the first time, this is definitely something for you to check out. It's going to serve as a quick guide so you can set it up. Let's put this aside and get into the earbuds itself. I'm going to take off this first peel. How am I supposed to take it off? Okay, I think, yeah, from this side. That's awesome. Wow, I like the color. It's so dark, and we have the Oraimo inscription at the top. Oh guys, this feels so premium already. I love how it looks, and the lid. Wow, I like the way it closes. It feels so magnetic and so premium. I love the way it closes and opens up. That's the Type-C charger. That's where you charge it. Pretty simple. And as we can see, the earbuds, let me take it out. All right guys, so this feels a little heavy, and it's definitely something that we can work with. And the design is something that when you put in your ears, it's not going to come off so easily. I think the way it looks, if you put this in your ear, it's going to get stuck in your ear. So I got this for 285 Ghana cedis from Oraimo's website plus delivery, and this can play up to 20 hours. It has the active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and 4 mic noise cancellation for calls. And guys, amazing thing is this earbud has very low latency when it's in the game mode, and then also it's got a thumping bass. I've actually tried this out, and it's something that sounds very great and very enjoyable. So if you're interested in this, you can just hang on to the Oraimo website and just purchase one for yourself. Well, delivery took me up to a week for me to get it in Accra here. So that should be it for this video. If you liked it, just drop a thumbs up, and then let me hear what you have to say in the comment section. And guys, I'll see you in the next one.